Okay, so somebody asked in the group how I did Denise Welch's makeup, and because I'm not going to see her for a couple of weeks, I thought I would do it on
me,
Mummy. Right, so I've put Mum's base on because that's not the point of Denise's look. Denise's look was a red lip and a very slight smoky eye. I would say on women 50 plus, if you're going to go for a red lip, tame the eyes down a little bit. With Denise, I just did a very soft smoky eye with some lashes and a lovely bright red lip because Denise always wants a bright lip. I try and do a nude lip on her, she won't have it. So I'm going to do the look on Mum and just explain it as I go along, all right?
Thank you.
Right, so I'm going to use my peachy concealer under Mum's eyes first of all, just to lighten up. So if you look in there, when it's slightly, that's it, yeah. So this is the orangey peachy one, and I'm just using the Sleek Life Proof colour corrector. So this peach, remember, is very good for colouring any dark shadows. And at the same time, I'm also blending a bit of the Studio 10 peachy into it.
Oh dear.
Full works today.
Going to look good getting around the Sainsbury's.
They'll think you're a movie star.
Yeah.
You can put some black glasses on.
I've got me sunglasses.
Yeah. Okay. So you just put this, always remember to get right in that little bit in there, because that's where it's very dark. And you're tapping, remember, don't swipe, tap. So just look up. Right, then I'm going to do a tiny little dusting of the Lily Lolo lemon drop powder, because this brightens under eyes. It's super fine. This is super fine, okay? Okay, just look up. Close. Do the top of the eyelids, and remember, if you get it over the eyelashes, that's a good thing. It will stop panda eyes, because the eyelashes hold a lot of moisture. I've thrown Mum's hair back today to look a little bit like Denzi. Right, okay, look at me. All right, let me just a teeny bit more. No, look up. A little bit more of that lemon powder, just right under the lashes. In there, okay. All right?
Yep.
Right. Bronzer, let's give you some bronzer first of all. I'm going to use the, the My bronzer. Okay, just look at me. Wow. So the bronzer helps contour the face. So we always do this at work, whether it's with foundation or with bronzer. Do it under the jawline. Remember to get the ears. If you've got your hair back, make sure the ears are covered as well. Under that jawline. A little bit where the sun would hit your face. Okay. Right, and then I always go in for blusher first, don't I?
Yep.
Because I just like to get the colour on. Get a little bit of cheekage. Right, so just smile. I'm using Lord & Berry. It's a lovely peachy colour this. So it's called Fusion 8232. So I'll put the details up afterwards. Smile, and then you're going to stipple that on the apples of the cheeks. Just the high area of the apples of the cheeks. So not right down here, a little bit further up. And you're just stippling that on like that. Okay, smile. So just a little bit higher up on the apple. Yeah, pretty.
Very nice.
Right, so good. We've got those on. Right. Brows. Let's just get the brows on. I'm using Lord & Berry Must Have.
It's not too dark, is it?
No, it's in taupe. Okay. So I'm just going to brush that through.
Yep.
Now, what I always do with Denise is, I put the red lipstick on her before I do her eyes, because then that lets you know how heavy you can go on the eyes. Otherwise, you might get carried away doing the eyes, and then you put the lip on and it's, whoa. So if you get the red lip on straight away, then you work backwards. Little trick, little tip. Right. So I'm going to use, on Mum, I'm going to use, this is Code 8, and it is Matte Velour lipstick, contouring lipstick. Actually, I'm going to have to look what colour this is, but it's a reddy pink. It's this colour, okay? Mum wouldn't, well, we don't really want to go for a super luminous bright red, which Denzi loves. So we're going to go for, we're going to do a red with a hint of pink in it, okay? So we'll get that on now. And this is matte as well. So it's not glossy. It's not super shiny. It's not super in your face, okay? So.
Oh, yeah.
It's lovely on you.
It is nice.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's really nice, isn't it?
It is. Thank you.
It's really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So now you can see that, sorry, from that, you can see, hold on, come here, Mum. Like, you can see now how heavy you want to go on the eyes or not, okay?
Not very heavy.
No, not very heavy at all. Just a lovely lash, a little bit of contouring we're going to do, and maybe just a very sleek eyeliner. And I think that's going to look really pretty, okay?
Yep.
Right, yeah. So I'm going to use the My Cosmetics, and it's in Haze. You would have got this in your first Donna Essential makeup kit. It's a really lovely taupey heathery colour. Right, so if you just, yeah, close your eye for a minute. Right, then just look directly at me. That's it. So just putting it in this little socket line here, okay? That's where I'm rubbing it in. And that's just going to give you some depth to your eyes. Really good if you've got hooded eyes. Just rub it. Always look straight ahead into the mirror when you're putting it on and create that contour. Yeah?
Yep. Nothing heavier.
No, no. I'm the makeup artist, Mum, all right?
Yeah, but I do know. She's such a cheeky moo. God, I'm going to go to sleep.
Oh, I know. Kay loves that. When you do that, Kay, she's like, oh, do more, do more.
Yeah.
Right, so look. Yeah, can you see it's just giving you a natural contour?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Lovely.
Let me just make sure that's it. Now you can, if you want to, put a little bit of paler colour. So you could go, if you want to, you could put a little bit of like bony colour just in here. Let me just show you. So just close. Just in here to just brighten up that area if you want to. I don't want to put too much in there. I don't want it to be harsh. I want it to be really kind of natural. There, I've just put a tiny little bit in just to lighten that.
Yeah.
Just lighten a little bit in here, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. With the same colour, with the same haze, the same taupey colour, I'm going to just do a little bit under the lower lashes. Not much at all. Okay, so just look up. Okay, literally that, right?
Yep.
Okay. Right. Just make sure. Okay. Use a liquid liner just to do a nice little flick. Okay.
Flick.
Just looks a little bit French, a little bit, you know, lardy-dardy.
Yes.
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 Right, I'm going to stand up now. Hold on a minute. Right. I'm running this really close, like into Mum's lashes. The only place I'm taking it a little bit higher is as I get to the end, I'm just, oh.
Sorry.
Oh.
What have I done?
No, it's all right. You're lucky. Just taking it up at that end there. Just that tiny little bit there. Okay. Teeny little bit, right?
Wow.
So I'm going along the lash line. I'll go back this way. And the only way, the only area that I start raising the pen is just right at this edge here. Okay.
Yep, very nice.
Right.
If I tried that, it would be all over my eyes.
Well, it just takes practice, and you could use a kohl pencil to do that, so it's softer, and use a cotton bud to just drag it out a little bit if you're a bit scared of going for it. I'm going to use my Studio 10 mascara. Not that end, the other end. It's got 2 ends. It's really good. And this is great because it's got that teeny tiny little brush on the end of it. Look at it.
What are we doing with this one then?
Oh, it's mascara.
That's mascara?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Okay, so look down. In fact, you know what? When I've done this, you might not even need lashes. Okay. Okay. Right. Right, and then look up. Just touching the few little lashes you've got under there. You haven't got many, and I'm not going too dark, but I am touching them. If you just have a look, just touch them slightly so they just stand out a little bit.
Yeah.
And that's why a wand like this is really good, because you can just look up. You can just literally, that's all I'm doing, look, just touching. Okay. So we could add some lashes, and you know that we love the Hello Dame London Invisilash. These lovely little lashes here. Let me just show you them. These are the ones in our Christmas kit. They're so lovely. Right, just close. So you just run the glue along there. And these are 3/4 lashes. So they don't go all the way in, so they don't close your eye up. And they're very fine, so they're very natural. Okay, hold on. There.
So these would be the very last thing to go on?
Yeah, look, have a look.
Oh yeah, there is a difference.
There isn't there?
There is.
It's still subtle, but it's
There
just
is.
there. And then you pinch your lashes into it.
Yeah.
Have a look. Just gives
Yeah,
you that
there's a
little
definite difference.
kick, doesn't it? It gives a
Yeah.
little kick at the,
Yeah.
at the end. There you go. What do you think?
Very nice.
It's nice, doesn't it? Get
Yeah,
close.
it does.
Get a bit closer.
Nice.
See?
Yeah.
Just gives that little bit more at the ends.
Oof.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. No,
Doesn't
they
it?
look good.
It's pretty, doesn't it?
It does.
And then
I'll come again.
stay there. And then obviously, like, we pulled Mum's hair back just because I said, oh, we'd do it like Denzi. I always try and pull her hair back and make her look like, oh, who's the Sharon Stone? I like making Denzi look like Sharon Stone.
Do you want me to do the...
You don't really look like Sharon Stone
No,
today,
no,
Mum, but
no. I can do my leg cross.
you can do your leg cross, yeah, but
I've got knickers
you got
on.
knickers on, yeah. All fur coat, no knickers.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, that looks quite cool as well, look. A bit sort of proper rock starry now. Tie that back. Oh, look.
Hey, there you
That
go.
looks nice. Face that way.
Yeah.
This way. Look at that.
Very good.
Very flash.
Very
Wait a
good.
minute, I want a hairband. I want a hairband. Oh, yeah, I've got one. Got one. Now you can really pretend you're Denzi.
Yeah.
No, it looks like... With some nice big earrings in. Look at that.
Looks really good.
It looks modern, looks cool.
Looks cool.
But it doesn't look like, you know, you're trying to be too young for your age.
No.
Sophisticated.
Oh, that's me.
Right. Hold on a minute. Hold on.
Hello.
Keep going that way a little bit.
Hello. Bye-bye.